In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Safe Search in Google Chrome on your laptop in a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful guide if you want to turn off Safe Search so your Google results are not filtered as strictly anymore. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Once Chrome is open, go to google.com. This is where you'll be able to access Google search settings directly. After the page loads, look toward the bottom left side of the screen and click on Settings. From the menu that appears, click on Search Settings. This will open the Preferences page where Google lets you control different search options, including Safe Search. Now look for the Safe Search option and click on it. Here, you should see the setting that controls whether Safe Search is on or off. Select Off to disable Safe Search. As soon as you choose that option, Google will automatically save the change for you, so you do not need to press any extra save button. Once that is done, Safe Search will be turned off on your Chrome browser, and your Google search results should now show less restricted content. And that's it. You've successfully removed Safe Search in Google Chrome on your laptop. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.